At number 1, cottage cheese is a huge source of calcium. Calcium has many roles in the body, but it is most well known for keeping up your bone and teeth health. The bones in our body absorb the mineral calcium, and this is what makes them stronger and healthy. When calcium is absorbed into the bones, it lowers the risk of any bone diseases such as osteoporosis, which is a disease where the bones become weak and brittle. In fact, it's recommended that seniors incorporate foods that have calcium like cottage cheese into their diet, as seniors are more prone to developing bone diseases. It can even aid in strengthening tooth enamel on the outer layer of our teeth. Number 2 is that cottage cheese is the perfect food if you want to bulk up those muscles. If you go to the gym and ask bodybuilders if they eat cottage cheese, we're pretty sure the answer is going to be yes. Proper weight training and foods like cottage cheese are the winning combo for putting on mass. This is because cottage cheese is packed full of protein and amino acids. A majority of cottage cheese's protein is a type of protein called casein, which is a slower absorbed protein and allows amino acids to be absorbed for longer. For this reason, it's best consumed before bedtime because as we sleep, the body can still repair muscles since it's absorbed slower. Number 3 goes right along with our previous point because it helps you lose weight. When we lose weight, we are simply replacing fat with muscles. So if cottage cheese promotes muscle growth, it can definitely help with losing weight. When we want to lose weight, typically we try to lower our calorie intake, which makes cottage cheese perfect because it's low in calories and fat. Next, it's high in protein, as we just learned, and that slow releasing protein casein will actually help you to feel full for longer periods of time. Lastly, a secret with cottage cheese is it contains B vitamins and other nutrients to boost your metabolism, so you have a lot of energy to burn those calories. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you subscribe and follow us on Instagram at healthyourself_YT, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond as we post short videos every 2 days. At number 4, cottage cheese can help to ensure that our heart health operates at full capacity. Cottage cheese in studies has actually shown to lower blood pressure levels, as high blood pressure is a cause of many heart complications. This is because they are low in fats and high in nutrients that aid the heart. One of those nutrients is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 helps to reduce the levels of a hormone called homocysteine. Homocysteine has been researched, and it has been found that high levels of homocysteine can be the cause of some heart diseases. Concluding the video at number 5, did you know that cottage cheese can help to detox your body? Probably not what you were thinking of. As time goes on, we build up toxins in our body every day due to environmental factors and our diet. Cottage cheese can help us reverse this because it contains the mineral phosphorus. Phosphorus plays a big role in the body when removing waste and toxins from our body. When you combine that with the levels of probiotics found in cheese, which are good gut bacteria, this ensures that you have a healthy bowel movement, so waste is disposed of properly. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.